Welcome back to PC Error Detective. In this video, I will show you how to remove a sound device in Windows 10 and make sure your audio setup is clean and organized. Step 1. Right-click on the Start menu and select Device Manager. This opens a central place where you can see all the hardware installed on your computer, which is important for managing and removing devices safely. Step 2. Expand the Sound, Video, and Game Controller section. Here you will find all the audio devices connected to your system, so you can choose which one you want to remove or troubleshoot. Step 3. Right-click on the audio output device you want to remove and select Uninstall Device. This will begin the process of removing the device from your system and prevents it from being used again. Step 4. Confirm the action by clicking Yes when prompted. Make sure to check the box to delete the driver software if you want the device completely removed from your computer. Step 5. Restart your computer to apply all changes. Restarting ensures that Windows updates the system settings and fully removes the device from your audio list. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to PC Error Detective for more helpful Windows tips.